The Nexa dealership channel has been quite successful for Maruti Suzuki in India, and the premium dealer network completes its 5th year of operations. The Nexa dealerships were launched in July 2015, and the idea behind it was to reach out to the more aspirational customers. The Nexa outlets in these 5 years have sold over 1.1 million units, contributing 20 to 22% to overall sales at Maruti Suzuki India. The S-Cross was the first car to be launched under the Nexa dealer network, and since, the automaker has introduced the Baleno, XL6 and the Ignis. The Maruti Suzuki Ciaz was moved to the Nexa dealerships in 2017. At present, the brand has over 371 showrooms across 200 cities and offers an upmarket and digitized buying experience. The Nexa showrooms will also retail electric vehicles in the future when Maruti Suzuki decides to kickstart EV operations in India.
We started this journey sometime in July 2015, and we are celebrating the 5th anniversary this July. The reason we started with the brand because we thought that one more channel would be required for the more aspirational customer. For it's not just about for whom it's not just about buying cars or buying product, but it's also about having the buying experience, and that has been the basic philosophy of Nexa.
According to a recent notification issued by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, passenger cars equipped with tubeless tires, tire pressure monitoring system and a puncture repair kit will not be required to be sold with a spare wheel. The new notification under the Central Motor Vehicles rules is applicable to passenger cars that fall under the M1 category and commercial vehicles that fall under the N1 category. The new rule will be applicable from October this year and will allow automakers that provide these features on vehicles with the option to remove the spare wheel from the standard vehicle equipment list. The government intends to bring the Indian safety norms on par with international standards with this new notification. The Transport Ministry says that the extra space in the car can be used to accommodate batteries for electric vehicles. The government will also set new standards for tire pressure monitoring systems to be used on vehicles. Kia Motors India has revealed the first official rendering of the new production-ready Kia Sonet subcompact SUV. The Sonet concept was first unveiled at the 2020 Auto Expo, and the new rendering gives a close glimpse at the production model's tiger nose grille, LED daytime running lights, and a muscular profile. The Sonet will be the second made-in-India model from Kia after the Kia Seltos. India will be the first market globally to get the subcompact SUV and will be loaded on the feature front with connected car tech, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging and more. The Sonet will be powered by petrol and diesel engines and will also get the IMT automatic transmission that was introduced on the Hyundai Venue recently. The production spec Kia Sonet is scheduled for debut on 7th of August this year, ahead of the launch during the festive season.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.